Okay, so dear students, today I am going to discuss few more topics on integration. Let us see integrals of the type integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c and integral of 1 by ax square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, how to solve this integral? Here the method is, first you have to complete the square. You should write ax square plus bx plus c in terms of either a square plus x square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. How? Let us see. For example, consider one quadratic expression x square plus 6x plus 7. Okay. Now we have to transform this quadratic expression into one of these three types. Okay. So for that, what you should do? You have to add and subtract square of half of coefficient of x, that is half into 6. So here what is coefficient of x? 6. So you should add and subtract by square of half of coefficient of x. Half of coefficient of x means half of 6, that is 3, right? So half into 6. You have to subtract because otherwise value will change. That is x square plus 6x plus 7 plus 3 square minus 3 square. Now x square plus 6x plus 3 square, rewrite, plus 7 minus 3 square is 9. Now how much this equal to? It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square. So it is x plus 3 whole square minus 7 minus 9 minus 2. Minus 2 can be written as minus square root of 2 whole square. Now look at this expression. This is in the form of x square minus a square. It has reduced to this form. So once you transform this expression to this form, then you can apply this integral, because integral of 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now you have to follow the same method for second integral. First complete the square. Once you complete the square, given integral will be transformed to 1 by root of a square plus x square, or 1 by root of x square minus a square, or integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square. Correct? Okay. So then you can apply these three integrals. Integral of 1 by root of a square plus x square is log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. Integral of 1 by root of x square minus a square is log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. And integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Let's see one example. Integral of 1 by root of x square plus 4x plus 2 dx equal to. So 4 options are given. Now this integral is of this form, 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So first you have to complete the square and transform this expression x square plus 4x plus 2 into one of the three, x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. Let's see. So x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to x square plus 4x. I said add and subtract square of half of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4 here. So half into 4, half into 4. And write this plus 2 as it is. Correct? Okay. Now this is equal to x square plus 4x plus 2 2s are. So 2 square. And here this is minus 4 plus 2. Correct? Now look at this expression. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square. So x plus 2 whole square. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 can be written as minus root 2 whole square, correct? Therefore, given integral equal to integral of 1 by root of x plus 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now look at this integral. This integral is of the form 1 by root of x square minus a square. So what is the formula? Log of mod x plus 2, in place of x write x plus 2, plus root of x plus 2 whole square minus root 2 square, but that is equal to x square plus 4x plus 2. So x square or x plus 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square plus c, and actually whole divide by 1 because this is generalized term ax plus b, but here a equal to 1, x means 1x. So whole divide by 1 means you can ignore. So what is the answer? Log of mod x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 whole square minus root 2 square is same given expression. So x square plus 4x plus 2 plus c. So which answer? Second option. Okay, we shall see next type of integrals, that is integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Means numerator is linear expression, denominator is quadratic expression, and integration of linear by root of quadratic, that is px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now for both problems you have to follow this method. What is the method? You should write numerator as, that is px plus q as m into d by dx of denominator, derivative of denominator, that is derivative of ax square plus bx plus c, plus some number n. Okay, so this is the method. Numerator should be written as m into derivative of denominator plus n. Okay, let us see one example. Integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus 4x minus 5 dx equal to, so 4 options are given. Now this integral is in this form, correct? Because numerator is px plus q, denominator is ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the method? Numerator should be written as m into d by dx of denominator plus n. Okay, so dear student, normally these type of problems don't appear for CET because these are basically essay type questions, but sometimes it's not possible to predict. Some question may appear for CET exam, but I think you can solve them quickly. You have to be fast in differentiation and completing the square, that's all. What is numerator? 2x plus 1, correct? Equal to m into, now don't avoid writing all this step, directly write derivative of denominator, 2x plus 4, correct? 2x plus 4 plus n. Now compare coefficient. Coefficient of x is 2m, here coefficient is 2. So 2m equal to 2. So what is m? M equal to 1. Like this you should quickly find values of m and n. Now compare constant term. What is constant term? 4m plus n. 4m plus n equal to 1, correct? 1. Substitute m. Just now we have found out m. m equal to 1. 4 into 1, 4. 1 minus 4, minus 3. So n equal to minus 3. Therefore, given integral equal to, so avoid writing the same problem again. Directly write down. Directly write numerator as m into derivative of denominator. That is 1 into 2x plus 4. 1 into 2x plus 4 minus 3 divided by x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, this is equal to, now split the integral. Now I have given you one formula. Integration of f dash x by f of x is log of f of x. That is, whenever numerator is derivative of denominator, directly you can write integral as log of denominator. Now 2x plus 4 is already derivative of x square plus 4x plus 5. So directly write log of mod x square plus 4x plus 5 minus, okay, actually first you have to split. While splitting, first integral is this one, directly write log of denominator. Second integral is 3 into 1 by x square plus 4x plus 5 dx, correct? Now, how to solve the second integral? It is in which form? 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. It has to be solved by method of completing the square. So, let us complete the square. So, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to x plus 2 whole square. What is x plus 2 whole square? X square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4x. But here you have 5, so plus 1 square, correct? Plus 1 square. Okay, that means I have skipped the step here. You have to add and subtract by square of half of coefficient of x. Half of 4 is 2, 2 square is 4. So, plus 4 minus 4, that is what you have to do. So, this integral become log of mod x square plus 4x plus 5 minus 3 into 1 by x square plus 4x plus 5 you can written as x plus 2 whole square plus 1 can written as 1 square. Now, directly tick the answer, don't write again and again. So, this is equal to this, right? So, minus 3 into this integral is of the form 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So, 1 by a, 1 by 1 is 1 only, tan inverse x by a, in place of x you have to write x plus 2. So, minus 3 into tan inverse x plus 2 plus c, correct? So, what is the answer? Log mod x square plus 4x plus 5 minus 3 into tan inverse x plus 2 plus c. So, first option. We shall now see the next method of integration, that is integration by partial fraction. Before that, first you must know what is proper fraction and what is improper fraction. Now, what is proper fraction? A proper fraction is a rational function of the form f of x by g of x, where f of x and g of x are polynomials and degree of denominator is greater than degree of numerator. Clear? For example, x square by x cube plus x plus 1. See, this is a proper fraction because what is the degree of numerator? Highest power of x is 2. So, degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator 3. So, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So, it can be called proper fraction. Now, let us see what is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a rational function of the form f of x by g of a, where degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of denominator. Let us see one example. X square by x square minus 4. See, this is improper fraction because degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is also 2. So, degrees are equal. So, improper fraction. Next, x cube by x square plus 4x plus 3. This is an improper fraction because degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2. So, degree of numerator more than degree of denominator, therefore, it is an improper fraction. Okay, now, in the lower classes, you have studied how to add two proper fractions. For example, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4 equal to, take LCM, this is what you get. Now, in this topic you should learn the reverse process, that is, one proper fraction will be given, that is say 2x minus 7 by x minus 3 into x minus 4. You should write it as sum of 2 or more than 2 proper fractions. Okay, reverse process, that is known as resolving into proper fraction, resolving into partial fraction. Okay, now to resolve a proper fraction into two or sum of more than 2 partial fraction, you have to follow one rule. Let us see what is that rule. Okay, now use this table in order to resolve a proper fraction into sum of 2 or more than 2 partial fraction. Now, you have nothing to do with numerator. You should look into the denominator. Now, look at this first one. In this denominator, you have 2 linear factors. When there are 2 linear factors, you have to assume the partial fractions of this form, a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, where a and b are constant, and this constant should be found out later. Okay. Next, look at this type, second type of proper fraction. Here, in denominator, you have 3 linear factors. When you have 3 linear factors in the denominator, you should assume 3 partial fraction, a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c, and ABC should be found out here. Next, look at the another type of partial proper fraction, px plus q by x minus a whole square into x minus b. Here, look into this denominator carefully. One linear factor is there, x minus b, but another linear factor is repeated 2 times. X minus a whole square means repeated, x minus a into x minus a. In such a situation, you should assume partial fraction of this type, a by x minus a plus b by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. You should assume 2 partial fraction corresponding to x minus a whole square. And for x minus b, assume partial fraction of this type, c by x minus b, and find a, b, c later. Last one, px plus q by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. Here look into the denominator. In denominator, one is linear, one is quadratic. In such a situation, for x minus a, the corresponding partial fraction is a by x minus a, and for ax square plus bx plus c, the corresponding partial fraction is bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Let us see one example. Integral of 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to, answer is given, a into log of 1 plus x square plus b into tan inverse x plus 1 by 5 into log of x plus 2 plus c. Okay, here you are asked to find values of a and b. Now look at this question. I think this has to be solved by integration by partial fraction. Look at the denominator. Denominator, you have linear and quadratic expression. That means 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. This should be written as sum of 2 partial fraction. This is x plus 2 is linear, so a by x plus 2 plus x square plus 1 is quadratic. That means assume partial fraction of this type, bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now add. Let us find out values of a, b and c. You have to do it quickly. Now take LCM. LCM is x plus 2 into x square plus 1, and LCM can be cancelled. So you can write 1 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. That is 1 equal to a plus bx square. See, ax square plus bx into x, bx square. Take x square common. So a plus b into x square. Now look at the x term. How many terms containing x are there? 2 terms, I think. 2bx and cx. X common. So 2b plus c, isn't it? Now last constant term. Plus what is constant term? A into 1 a plus 2c, correct? Now compare the coefficient. A plus b equal to 0, because here there is no x square term, means you should take it as 0 into x square. Coefficient of x square is 0. So a plus b equal to 0. 2b plus c equal to 0, no, because 2b plus c is coefficient of x. Here there is no term containing x, so you should take it as 0 into x. And a plus 2c equal to 1. Constant term is a plus 2c, here constant term is 1. Now use these three equations to find values of a, b and c. But no need to solve the two equations, because at least you can find value of a using this equation star, correct? How to find? Put x equal to minus 2 plus 2. Put x equal to minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 into anything is 0. Here also put minus 2 whole square is 4, 1 plus 4 5. So 5a equal to 1. 5a equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 5. Now a is 1 by 5. So what is b? b equal to minus a. b equal to minus 1 by 5. Quickly you can find out, correct? Minus 1 by 5. c equal to, use this equation. c equal to minus 2b. That is minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. 2 by 5. Correct? So given integral becomes, so don't write this step again and again. Directly split and write a by x plus 2. What is a? 1 by 5 by x plus 2 plus bx plus c minus 1 by 5x plus 2 by 5 by x square plus 1. That is 1 by 5 into log x plus 2. Why? Because what is integration of 1 by ax plus b? Log ax plus b by a, where a equal to 1 here. So log of x plus 2 minus 1 by 5 into x by x square plus 1 plus 2 by 5 into integration of 1 by x square plus 1. What you should do? Split the integral here. One integral is minus 1 by 5x by x square plus 1. Next integral 2 by 5 by x square plus 1. Now compare. I think you already got value of a. Here you have a into log of 1 plus x square, but in place of a you got 1 by 5. So a already got how much? 1 by 5, correct? Now let us find out b. Okay, I think here you don't have to concentrate on this thing. Okay, sorry. Okay, so look at this integral. Here you have an opportunity to make numerator as derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is 2x. Numerator is x. So into 2 divide by 2. So 1 by 5 log of mod x plus 2 minus divide by 2. So 5 into 2 10. 1 by 10. 2 by 2x by x square plus 1 plus 2 by 5 into 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Correct? So what you should do? Into 2 divide by 2. Why? Because you have to make numerator as derivative of denominator, so that you can use shortcut formula. Log of denominator. Correct? Okay. Which is equal to 1 by 5 log of mod x plus 2 minus 1 by 10 into numerator is exactly derivative of denominator. So log of denominator, log of 1 plus x square plus 2 by 5 into, recall derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. 2 by 5 tan inverse x. But this answer is given there. So compare and find out values of a and b. A into log of 1 plus x square. Here it is. A into log of 1 plus x square. So what is a? Minus 1 by 10. B into tan inverse x. B into tan inverse x. While comparing you get b equal to 2 by 5. B is equal to 2 by 5. So a minus 1 by 10. B equal to 2 by 5. So which option? Third option. Okay. Now let us move on to the next technique of integration. If the integrand involves, that is the problem involves the term of this type, root of a square plus x square, then you should use this technique. You should put x equal to a tan theta. This is a suitable substitution. If the integrand involves root of a square minus x square, then suitable substitution is put x equal to a sin theta. Basically you have to remove this square root. That's the substitution that you have to make. Next, if the integrand involves root of x square minus a square, then put x equal to a secant theta. Now let us see one problem. Example, integration of 1 by x square into root of a square minus x square dx equal to, let us integrate this. Here you can see the presence of the term root of a square minus x square, this term. That means you have to put x equal to a sin theta. So put x equal to a sin theta, correct? Then differentiate with respect to theta. Dx by d theta equal to a cos theta, implies dx is a cos theta d theta, correct? So given integral equal to 1 by x square, x equal to a cos theta. So what is x square? A square sin square theta, a square sin square theta into root of a square minus x square is again a square sin square theta, a square sin square theta. But what is dx? Dx becomes a cos theta d theta, a cos theta d theta. That is 1 by a square into a constant, take it out, 1 by sin square, 1 by sin square theta into, now here take a square common, what do you get? A square into 1 minus sin square theta, that is a square into cos square theta. Root of a square into cos square theta is a cos theta. So a cos theta, correct, into a cos theta d theta. Now what happened? A cos theta d theta, a cos theta d theta cancels. So given integral becomes 1 by a square into 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta d theta. Now cosec square theta is a standard integral. What is integration of cosec square theta? Minus cot theta. So minus cot theta plus c. Now you should write down your final answer in terms of x. Convert cot theta. Write cot theta in terms of x. What is sin theta? X equal to a sin theta. So what is sin theta equal to? Sin theta is x by a, correct? So sin theta x by a. What is adjacent side? Root of a square minus x square by Pythagoras theorem. Now in this find out cot theta. Cot theta is, so minus 1 by a square into cot theta, that is root of a square minus x square by x plus c. So this is the answer. Now we shall switch over to next method of integration, that is one of the most powerful method, that is integration by parts. Now this method can be used to the product of two functions. For example, suppose you want to integrate e power x into sin x, product of two function, you can use this rule. Now what this rule says? Integration of first second dx equal to, here first means first function, second means second function. Rule says first function into integral of second minus integral of, again integral of second into derivative of first function. So this is called integration by parts. Now success of this method depends on proper choice of first function. You should choose the first function according to this rule, I lat, where I is inverse function, L means logarithmic function, A algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, and E exponential function. So choose first function according to this order of priority. We shall see one example now. Integration of e power x into x dx. Let us integrate. Now e power x is inverse function, x is algebraic function. Now here a appears before e, therefore first function is x, because a algebraic appears before inverse exponential function. So e power x is second function. Now integrate first function, that is x, into integral of second. What is integral of e power x? E power x minus integral of, again integral of second, integral of e power x is e power x into derivative of first function, derivative of x is 1 dx, that is x into e power x minus e power x into 1 is e power x, and integration of e power x is e power x plus c. So integration terminates here. So this is integration by parts. Okay. Okay, we shall now see some time saving results or shortcuts in this topic. Integration of uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus, see, you have to write alternatively plus and minus, plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus dash dash dash. Here, what are u dash, u double dash, u triple dash? U dash, u double dash, u triple dash are successive derivatives of u dash, u double dash. For example, u dash is derivative of u double dash is derivative of u dash, u triple dash is derivative of u double dash, and v1, v2, v3, v4 are successive integrals of v1, v2, etc. For example, v1 is integral of v2 is integral of v1, v3 integral of v2 dash dash dash. But this method has got some limitations. This method cannot be applied for all problems. This shortcut formula can be applied only in case of three products: x power n into sine ax, x power n into cos ax, x power n into e power x. Let us see one example. Example, integration of x cube e power x dx. See, for this problem you can apply this shortcut formula. See, u v1, what is u? U is x cube. v1 is integration of e power x, e power x. Next sign is minus. U dash means derivative of x cube, 3x square, integration of e power x, e power x, plus, next u double dash means derivative of 3x square, 6x, into integration of e power x is e power x. Next sign should be minus. Derivative of 6x is 6, and integration of e power x plus c. So you got the answer. Next, integration of e power x into sine of bx plus c dx equal to, by this formula, e power x into a sine bx minus b cos bx plus c whole divided by a square plus b square plus c. Integration of e power x into cos of bx plus c equal to e power x into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c divided by a square plus b square plus c. Next, now there is another result which is immediate consequence of integration by part. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x means f dash x is derivative of f of x. Then directly you can write e power x into f of x plus c. Next, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x by a dx equal to 1 by a into e power x f of x plus c. Okay. We shall now solve few problems. First one, integration of x cube plus x square plus 1 by x plus 1 dx equal to. Now look at this problem. This is an improper fraction because degree of numerator is 3. Degree of denominator is 1. So degree of numerator greater than degree of denominator, improper fraction. When given rational function is improper fraction, you should convert it into polynomial plus proper fraction. Okay, you should write this as sum of polynomial and proper fraction. How? You should divide. So let us divide x cube plus x square plus 1 by x plus 1. Divide numerator by denominator using long division method. X cube by x is x square. So x square, this is the first term of the quotient. X square into x, x cube, x square into 1, x square. Change the sign, minus, minus. Cancel. X cube minus x cube, x square minus x square. So 1, correct? Therefore, remainder is 1. So that means x cube plus x square plus 1. Dividend can be written as divisor into quotient, that is x square into x plus 1 plus remainder 1. So now go back to the integral. So given integral can be written as Now look at numerator, x cube plus x square plus 1. It can be written like this, x square into x plus 1 plus 1. So x square into x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 dx, isn't it? Now split the integral, x square plus 1 by x plus 1 dx, is it not? Because x plus 1 cancels. That is what I was talking about. You should write given improper fraction as sum of polynomial, x square is a polynomial plus proper fraction. Now integrate. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 1 by x plus 1. It is in the form of 1 by x plus b. So integral is log of mod x plus 1 plus c. So what is the answer? X cube by 3 plus log of x plus 1 plus c. Second option. Next problem, integration of log x dx equal to, 4 options are given. Now integration of log x should be found out by method of integration by parts. So that means given integral should be rewritten as log x into 1 dx. Log x can be written as log x into 1. Why? Because u and v should be visible. You should write it as product of two functions. Okay. Now take first function as log x, second function as 1. Because in the rule ILAT, L logarithmic function appears before a algebraic function. See, 1 is an algebraic function. See, f of x equal to 1. This is an algebraic function because it is constant polynomial. So first function, second function. Apply the rule. What rule says? First function log x into integral of second, integral of 1 dx minus integral of, again integral of second, integral of 1 dx, integral of second into derivative of first function. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx. That is log x into integration of 1 x minus integral of, again integral of 1 is x into 1 by x dx. Cancel x. So x log x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So answer is x log x minus x plus c. Integral of log x whole power n dx, correct? Now write this as log x power n into 1. First function is log x power n, second function is 1. First function into integral of second, integrate by part. Log x whole power n into integration of 1 is x minus integral of, again integral of 1 is x into derivative of first function. Derivative of log x whole power n is n into log x power n minus 1 into 1 by x. This is due to chain rule. Now x and x cancel, correct? So cancel x and x. What do you get? X into log x power n minus n into, take n out. Integration of log x power n minus 1 dx. Now see, in equal to log x power n means this suffix n should be equal to power n. But what here you have log x power n minus 1, that means it should be in minus 1. Now shift this side because that is a question, that is what you want to find. So when you shift this to the left hand side, what do you get? In plus n into in minus 1 equal to, what do you get? X into log x whole power n. So x into log x power n. So what is the answer? X into log x power n. So answer is second option. Next example, integration of 1 plus tan x by e power minus x into cos x dx equal to. So 4 options are given. So given integral equal to 1 plus tan x by e power minus x is 1 by e power x, correct? Into cos x. E power minus x is 1 by e power x. Now e power x will go to the top. That is e power x into whole thing. So 1 plus tan x divided by cos x dx, correct? That is integration of e power x into, now split 1 by cos x plus 1 by cos x plus tan x by cos x, correct? Tan x by cos x dx, which can be written as integral of e power x into 1 by cos x, how much? Secant x, correct? 1 by cos x secant x. Write tan x as it is. Tan x into 1 by cos x is secant x, correct? Tan x, write as it is 1 by cos secant. Now look at this integral. This integral is in the form of e power x into f of x plus f dash x, correct? No, see, suppose f of x is secant x, then what is f dash x? F dash x is derivative of secant x into tan x, correct? Now I have given one standard result. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x is e power x into f of x. So answer is e power x into, what is f of x? Secant x, correct? So e power x into secant x plus c. So what is the answer? E power x into secant x plus c. Next example, integration of e power x into sine of 2x plus 1 dx equal to. Now actually this problem should be solved by integration by parts, but that is time consuming job. But instead you can use shortcut formula. What is that formula? Integration of e power x into sine of bx plus c dx equal to e power x into, okay, a into sine bx plus c plus minus b into cos of bx plus c whole divided by a square plus b square plus c, correct? So this is the shortcut formula, okay? Now use this formula here. E power x, x means 1x, so in place of a what you have? 1. In place of bx plus c you have 2x plus 1. So what should be the answer? So given integral equal to e power x, that is e power x only, a into, that is 1 into sin bx plus c, 1 into sin 2x plus 1 minus b into, what is the value of b here? B equal to 2. So 2 into cos of bx plus c, that is 2x plus 1 whole divided by a square plus b square. A square is 1, so 1 square plus 2 square plus c. And so what should be the denominator? 5. That means option is first one, okay? Next example, integration of e power x into x power 4 dx equal to. Now this problem should be solved by integration by parts, but I have given one shortcut formula for this product, e power ax into sine bx, correct? So use that shortcut formula, okay? So what is that shortcut formula? Integration of uv dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus dash dash dash. You have to write plus and minus alternatively. You have to write plus minus plus minus. Here u dash is derivative of u double dash derivative of u dash, u triple dash derivative of u dash. That means u dash, u double dash, u triple dash are successive derivatives of u dash, u double dash. v1 is integral of v, v2 is integral of v1, v3 is integral of v2 dash dash dash. So integration of e power x into x power 4 dx equal to, take this as u, this as v. Shortcut formula says u v1. So what is u? X power 4 into v1 is integral of v, integral of e power x, e power x. Next sign is minus. U dash means derivative of x power 4. So 4x cube into v2. v2 is integral of v1. Integral of e power x is e power. Next sign should be plus. Next, u double dash means derivative of this one. Derivative of 4x cube, 12x square into derivative of integration of e power x is e power x. Next sign is minus. Derivative of 12x square, 24x into integral of e power x plus. Next sign is plus. Derivative of 24x is 24 into 1. So 24 into e power x plus c. Now take e power x common. What do you get? X power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x square minus 24x plus 24 plus c. So look at the first option, e power x into x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x square minus 24x plus 24 plus c. So first option.